Hello friends, how are you all? Hope everybody is doing fine. Today's topic is about one habit that can make you healthy, wealthy, and prosperous. What is it? Yeah, you guessed it right. It is early morning rising. It is not new in our culture and tradition that early morning rising is a difficult habit. It has been for centuries we have been getting up early, and today also there are a lot of people who get up early in the morning. This morning, why only morning? Even Westerners follow this. Be anywhere, any climate. If you are a early riser, you will be successful in whatever you are doing. Why early morning is so special? Because early morning energy itself is like something very special, unique. The energy, the full of positivity. The environment itself will make you feel so vibrant. Early in the morning, just get out of the bed and you just have a peep to the nature. You will feel so refreshing, so refreshing. The moment you get out of the bed, don't go back to bed. That will make you like you will get up only in the afternoon. When you get up early in the morning, go out. No, not necessary you have to sit and chant and do meditate and do all these things. No, I'm not telling all those things. Just get up. Do what interests you. You want to take a stroll, take it. You want to have a sip of coffee or your tea, you can go and have it. Getting up early in that morning, that is a mystical time. Just not even doing anything, you just sit silent. That's enough. That is the mystical time, why we say the cosmic energy that flows to you early in the morning is immense when compared to the day when there is lot of other thoughts going on, rush, hurry, do this, do that. No, when in the morning you have that natural cosmic energy flowing to you, which gives you the energy for the throughout the day. You will be enthusiastic in whatever you are doing because you are getting up early. You are stress free. You don't do any work in a hurry way. You take your time, you plan for the day, you set a note for the day, and you just go about, and then you do what is good for you. Early in the morning you get so much of time to plan, and you get so much of time to look after your health. Like even 1 hour you spend on yoga, pranayama, meditation, so much of energy you gain. And this mystical time is said that this is also in our Indian culture, this is Brahma Muhurta. From 3:30 to 6 o'clock, whatever it is you are doing, whatever you do, you will be successful. Why Brahma Muhurta? Because it is the creator's time. Brahma is the creator. It is the creator's time. So, when we are awake, sitting silent, we are with the creator. The creativity is high. Whatever you do, you will succeed. Whatever work, right from your agriculture to managing the country, I think early risers are the successful people. Take advantage of this early morning rising. Keep your energy vibrant. What may come, you will have all that energy to face the day. This mystical time, you have to be up, and this is the manifestation time. Whatever you think in the early morning, it is blessed with immense energy. There are immortal beings who are always there praying and blessing throughout. So early morning they pray the creator, they pray, they bless the earth, they bless people. So when we are up, we receive the maximum. So we all live on somebody's blessings. We are created by someone, we are blessed by someone. So to receive all those in maximum, we have to get up early in the morning. You want to be healthy, wealthy, rich, prosperous, manifest all your wishes, get up early in the morning, try it out for 21 days, you will see the change. Thank you. This is Prema signing off from DSS.